Hi friends, good morning. This is Suvarna Keshav, welcoming you all to Suvarna's Hobby World. So today let us learn an easy method of making mango tokku. For that let us heat a kadai, add 2 tablespoons oil, I have taken the totapuri variety of mango. I have grated it. Let us add it to the oil and saute it very well. Keep it on low heat and keep sauteing. I have taken 2 totapuri mangoes, washed them and then grated them neatly. We need to saute this mixture for about 5 to 8 minutes. I have cooked this mixture for 8 minutes. Now let us add jaggery and cook it for 10 more minutes. We need a huge amount of jaggery for this as the mango will be sour. Mix it well. The jaggery will start dissolving and cook this for another 10 minutes. Let us now dry roast 1.5 teaspoon of mustard and 1 teaspoon of methi and grind it to a fine powder. Wait till the mustard starts spluttering. I have cooked the mango mixture for 10 minutes. Now let us add the mustard and methi powder to this. Also add turmeric, salt to taste and red chili powder. Give it a nice mix and cook for another 5 minutes. Now let us prepare a garnishing with oil, mustard, hing and curry leaves. Add the curry leaves and transfer the mixture to the mango tokku. Give it a nice mix, cool it and store it in airtight containers. This can be stored in the fridge for about 15 days. Delicious mango tokku is now ready.